Good morning, I'm David from Skills Generation and just introducing you to the SG-X880 quad. This is the class project build. As you can see, it's made from basic aluminium construction, aluminium tube square for the arms, folded aluminium sheet for the body. We have our receiver, our GPS unit and our main electronics in the middle for the control, motors and propellers on the ends, speed controllers on the arms. The design criteria for this was to get a drone as big as we could, but still under 2 kilos, and this weighs in at 1.95 kilos, so it's still available to be flown in the under 2 kilo excluded category. So this is the optional class project, so let's have a look and see how it flies. Okay, we have the drone on the ground and ready to fly. Here we have our telemetry screen. Our telemetry screen is currently indicating we have 11 satellites and 99% battery power. So we shall now give it a try and show you how it flies. We're just going to do some basic flying around. This is in full manual mode at the moment. I don't have altitude or position hold enabled. So you can see it's a very nice stable aircraft to fly. And now we'll come back and land. And landed and disarmed. Okay, we're just going to do some basic flying and then we'll try a return to home again. Craft is armed. We take off. We get it to a gentle hover. We activate position hold and altitude hold. And now the craft will just sit there on its own. Now we'll just try some basic flying. So we have now travelled, we're at about 7 metres altitude and we're 40 metres away from us, which is indicated on our telemetry screen. And now if we try a return to home, aircraft is now en route to home, it's flying back to us. It's over its landing position now, so it's going to stop. It's going to rotate and it's now preparing to land. And now it's commenced the landing phase. And as you can see, this is totally automated. I'm not holding the controls at all. And we've landed. And then we can disarm.